Hi! In this update, I will show you how to send pop-up notifications to Android phones and iPhones and Windows with one click, this option called Kitchen Sink. I will put the new update APK file link in the description, so let's start it. First, we go in to open the Bluetooth-less spam app. Then, when you expand the 3 lines, you can see now it has 5 options available. You can choose the one according to your device. Or just simple choose Kitchen Sink and then hit Start Advertising. Now you can see it's sending notification to Windows and iPhone same time. I was not having an extra Android device, otherwise I was going to add it as well. But it will work on Android devices as well. Just watch my previous video for settings for Android devices. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video and don't forget to subscribe.